Hey there! Check out these 3-pack large wood crates, each measuring 16 inches with sturdy handles for easy carrying. These farmhouse wooden crates are perfect for rustic storage, display, or decoration in your home or office. Crafted from unfinished wood, they offer a versatile canvas for DIY projects, allowing you to paint or stain them to match your style. The nesting design lets you save space when not in use, making organization effortless and stylish. Use them to create charming gift baskets, organize art supplies, or add a cozy touch to any retail display. These crates combine functionality and rustic charm, making them a must-have for creative storage solutions. Transform your space with these durable, decorative nesting boxes today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.